Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a very easy, very quick 10-minute makeup look. You can wear this for work, you can wear this for training. I know a lot of you guys are starting flight attendant training soon, and let me tell you, there's going to be a lot of early morning wake-ups and a lot of early morning sign-ins. Same for when you have to work. Some days you're gonna have to be ready by 3 o'clock in the morning. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my makeup pretty quick, just keep on watching. And I know in my last video I had purple hair. If you have not checked that out, make sure you go ahead and check that video out. But I am back to my natural hair color, which is... Alright, so I have a timer for 10 minutes. And I already went ahead and moisturized my face because usually if I'm in a hurry, I'll brush my teeth, wash my face, moisturize, and then I'll go ahead and do something else, like put on my outfit, put on my uniform, or do something else while the moisturize sets. So we're just going to get right into makeup. Alright, so we just started and I completely forgot to get my mirror to do my makeup because I don't want to look in the viewfinder, so I'm going to pause this for a second. Alright, so I have my mirror. Lewis also called me and he says hi. We'll be filming a video together very soon, so stay tuned for that. Back into the makeup. Alright, so brows. I personally don't do a lot to my brows. I'm very blessed with pretty thick brows, so I just go in with a little powder and that's what works for me. A lot of people don't like eyeshadow, but I feel like my eyeshadow is like some people's eyeliner where they don't feel comfortable wearing like no eyeliner. I feel like I need some eyeshadow because I look dead without it. And then I really need some underneath the eye. This is literally one of my favorite parts of doing makeup, is putting shadow underneath my eye. And it's just, this is literally the easiest eye look ever. And then I'll just take my finger and add some shimmer. And we are alive. Four minutes. So I will do a little bit of blush, which I've been loving blush lately. Just a little bit. Highlight. Actually, let me finish my eyes. Every eye look needs a little inner corner highlight, which really just opens up your eyes and makes you feel, or makes you look more weak. So mascara usually takes me a minute because I really love to take my time and make my lashes pop. I'm actually thinking of getting eyelash extensions this month. My birthday is this month, February 25th. Shout out to all my Pisces out there. So I really want to treat myself and get myself eyelash extensions. But I don't know if I am going to go through with it, because I love my lashes. I don't want them to fall out. But I was also thinking of getting a lash lift. I just don't know yet. Alright guys, I have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. I just need to do lips, and my lipstick is in my bag, so 1 second. Alright, so we have 1 minute and 13 seconds left, and this is my everyday, I wish I had chapstick. This is my everyday lip combo that I like to do. Favorite nude lipstick, pinky nude. And then I top it off with, I got this oil, I thought it was my gloss. Top it off with this gloss, just a little bit. Alright guys, 10 seconds left, and I think that is all. Alright guys, timer is up. So this is the end result. This is literally my everyday makeup look. It takes me 10 minutes because just once you keep doing it every day, it becomes easier. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. It's pretty neutral. If you wanted to do a red lipstick, just swap it out for red lipstick. I'm actually going to start wearing red lipstick once we start wearing our new uniforms. And I just forgot to put on highlight. That's what I forgot. So I'm just going to pop that right on because that takes 2 seconds. A little shine, and we're all good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this everyday makeup look, and I'll see you guys in my next video.